Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on the video of our Skoda Karoq. This is the 1.5 petrol automatic in the edition specification and it's black magic metallic paint. As a standard feature on the edition, the vehicle comes with 19-inch crater alloy wheels. The edition also comes with an electric tailgate. So it has an extremely well-sized boot for the car. And as you can see on the back of the seats, the edition comes with the VariFlex seats. The edition comes with black leather upholstery as a standard. And the leather also continues into the front of the car. You also get the electrically adjustable driver's seat, which has 3 memory settings. So there are currently 4,787 miles on the clock. You have the multifunction steering wheel along with the DSG paddles and also cruise control on the indicator stalk. Over here you have the infotainment screen with all of your options, dual zone climate control air conditioning unit with heated front seats. The vehicle also comes with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera. Another key benefit to the edition is you get the panoramic sunroof as a standard feature. And another safety feature you get on the car is the lane assist, which is the orange icon there, and also blind spot detection. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call the showroom on 0208 686 8844. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.